I'd say don't listen to her. I'd say top 10, number 1 spot.
Improv is a lifelong skill. It improves communication skills by providing confidence, providing a little bit of space where folks are okay flowing and having an answer even when they might not be prepared with the answer.
I think improv really helps because it makes it so you have to think off the top of your head. It just kind of teaches you to think quickly and to find a solution to your problems so that way you come to a happy ending, so to say.
Just like overall, even for job interviews, I've never been very well-spoken. I remember always needing to stutter, like I'm stuttering right now. I've always been a very nervous person, and I think being able to come up with things on the spot is something that has really helped me, and being able to communicate with people through that and have fun instead of being anxious while doing it is really helpful.
Improv is mainly about trust. You have to trust that the person that you're going to be working with will be able to pick up on what you're putting down.
Improv is leadership. So taking care of other folks, making your partner look good, yes-anding other folks' ideas, being ready to jump into action and lead in the moment. With leadership, you never have a scheduled time where you know you're going to lead. Leadership happens instantaneously, and you have to use improv to be ready for those moments.
Every day in the lives that we live, we don't know what is going to come up, what people are going to need from us, what we're going to need from other people. So we're actually living a daily improv. And so improv helps practice the skill to be ready to listen and ready to respond and come up with your own ideas and share what it is you need and react to what other people need.